Like in this video, I'm going to install Linuxzoo, Putty and Winscp. So to perform these tools, we need one server. So that is Linuxzoo. So I'm going to install all these things in this video. So first I'm going to the Putty. You just type the Putty in the Google or Putty download for Windows. So you get so many links. You can click any link here and go to here, download it here. Next, next, install. If it is installed, go to here and type Putty. It is there. Let me open it. Okay, here it is asking host name and IP address. Okay, we'll see later. So it is successfully installed. Okay, next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to install the Winscp also. So just type the Winscp, go to here. Download now. Just the next one. Project Winscp. Right. Let's scan. Just open it. Okay, it is also asking about the host name, username, password. So for this, you need to register with Linuxzoo. Okay, we'll see that one. So Linux, go to Linuxzoo. And okay, here you go to register for an account. Okay, click here and username can give any name. I'm giving ABC. Competitor. Okay, here I'm giving the email user. Okay, in this user registration, you can give any username or email. So whether it is valid your email ID or not, it's not a problem. You give the password and first name and last name, and just leave this matriculation number. No need. And program information, just select any one this. Just interested, and that's it. Just accept this one and register. That is succeeded successfully. Successful registration. Okay. Linuxzoo. So we have the status alt or stop. It should be running state, right? So go to connect. And here, switch on the status. Switch on. Okay. You see the status. It is running state, right? So now it's a running state. So now go to Putty. Putty. Open the Putty. So here it is asking the host name. So what is the host name here? Host name is Linuxzoo.net. Okay, I'm giving the Linuxzoo.net and just opening. So it is giving the login as. So login as means, so this is the username you should give. So what is the username? Root. Root. Press enter. So it is asking the password. So what is the password? Secure. So I'm typing this password as a secure, but it's not showing any password. Just I'm typing now. Yeah, I'm clicking enter, but it's not showing the password here. Okay, yeah. So now we can perform the Unix commands operations. Okay. Okay, likewise, we can perform Unix commands with the Putty. So now we'll see same thing in Winscp also. Okay. So at the time of giving what it is, the SSH means host name. This should be in running state. Okay, so now I'm opening the Winscp. So this is host name and the username. What is username? Root. And password is secure. Secure. So just log in. Okay. So this is my Unix environment. Okay. It's like GUI, graphical user interface. Okay. Hope you clear the differences between Putty and Winscp. So Putty is it's totally command line interface, and Winscp is graphical user interface. Okay. So if you want to perform operations with this Winscp or Putty, we should register for Linuxzoo. Okay, it should be in running state. Hope you clear. Thank you.